A bird and squirrel. Short moral is story. One day a beautiful bird came looking for food. The bird looked around and saw a mango on a mango tree. It was a ripe mango. A squirrel was eating that mango. The bird came near the squirrel. The squirrel was afraid of the bird and went aside. The bird started eating the mango. The bird saw the squirrel was looking sad. Come, squirrel, let's both eat this mango, said the bird. Squirrel was very happy. The bird and the squirrel ate the mango happily. Moral of the story is sharing everything equally with others is the best way of the life. Thanks for watching.